Welcome back to the Elite Service Masters channel. In today's video, we're pulling back the curtain to share a real-life example of how we successfully hired the perfect employee without relying on recruitment agencies. Curious to know how we did it? We'll walk you through the exact steps we took, from crafting an engaging job description to leveraging innovative sourcing techniques. By the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint for attracting and hiring top-tier talent, all while keeping recruitment costs low and ensuring a great cultural fit. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest content designed to help you build a stronger, more effective team. Let's start by introducing the company at the heart of today's story, ABC Tech Solutions, a mid-sized software development firm based in Austin, Texas. Founded in 2010, ABC Tech rapidly evolved from a small startup into a key player in the tech industry, delivering cutting-edge software solutions to businesses around the globe. However, as they grew, ABC Tech encountered a significant challenge: finding and retaining the right talent. Their traditional recruitment process, which relied heavily on third-party staffing agencies, was proving inefficient and costly. They needed a new approach to find the perfect employees, one that didn't involve external agencies. Before embracing the direct hire model, ABC Tech faced several roadblocks in their recruitment process. 1. High recruitment costs. Partnering with staffing agencies meant paying steep fees, often 20% to 30% of an employee's first-year salary. These costs added up quickly, putting a strain on the company's resources. 2. Inconsistent quality of hires. While agencies provided candidates, the quality varied widely. Some hires were spot on, but others lacked the necessary skills or didn't align with the company culture, leading to higher turnover rates. 3. Prolonged hiring timelines. The dependency on third-party recruiters led to delays, with some roles remaining unfilled for months. This not only affected project deadlines, but also put undue pressure on the existing team. Recognizing these issues, ABC Tech decided it was time to take matters into their own hands and explore a direct hire model. ABC Tech's journey to hiring the perfect employee began with a strategic shift. Here's the step-by-step process they followed. 1. Crafting an engaging job description. The first step was to create a job description that stood out. They focused on clearly defining the role, responsibilities, and the unique aspects of their company culture. This helped attract candidates who were not only skilled, but also a great fit for the team. 2. Building an internal recruitment team. ABC Tech invested in a small but skilled internal recruitment team. This team was responsible for sourcing, screening, and interviewing candidates directly, eliminating the need for external agencies. 3. Leveraging innovative sourcing techniques. To find top talent, ABC Tech didn't just post on traditional job boards. They used LinkedIn, industry-specific forums, and even attended virtual tech meetups to connect with potential candidates. This proactive approach allowed them to identify top talent that wasn't actively looking, but was open to the right opportunity. 4. Conducting effective interviews. ABC Tech restructured their interview process to focus more on cultural fit and problem-solving abilities. They used a mix of technical assessments and behavioral interviews to ensure candidates were not only qualified, but aligned with the company's values and goals. 5. Employer branding. The company also invested in strengthening its employer brand. By showcasing employee testimonials and their vibrant work culture across social media and on their careers page, they made themselves more appealing to top-tier talent. 6. Employee referral program. ABC Tech encouraged its employees to refer candidates from their networks. This not only brought in pre-vetted applicants, but also enhanced the sense of community within the company. So what were the results of these efforts? Let's break it down. 1. Cost savings. By bringing recruitment in-house and eliminating agency fees, ABC Tech reduced its hiring costs by over 50%. This allowed them to reinvest those savings into other areas of the business. 2. Finding the perfect employee. Thanks to their thorough and personalized approach, ABC Tech was able to hire an ideal candidate who not only possessed the necessary technical skills, but also seamlessly integrated into the company culture. 3. Faster time to hire. The direct hire model significantly reduced the time it took to fill positions. Roles that once took months to fill were now being filled in weeks, keeping projects on schedule. 4. Lower turnover rates. With better hiring practices came better retention. The quality of hires improved, leading to lower turnover rates and a more stable workforce. 5. Enhanced employer brand. The focus on employer branding paid off. ABC Tech attracted top-tier talent who were excited to join a company known for its innovation and supportive work environment. ABC Tech's experience offers valuable insights for any company looking to enhance its hiring process without relying on external agencies. 1. Craft engaging job descriptions. A well-crafted job description is your first opportunity to attract the right candidates. Make sure it's clear, concise, and highlights what makes your company unique. 2. Invest in an internal recruitment team. Having a dedicated team focused on sourcing and screening candidates can significantly improve the quality of your hires. 3. Use innovative sourcing techniques. Don't just rely on job boards. Explore different platforms and communities where your ideal candidates might be found. 4. Focus on cultural fit. Technical skills are important, but ensuring a candidate aligns with your company culture is key to long-term success. 5. Leverage employee referrals. Your current employees can be your best recruiters. An employee referral program can help you tap into a network of trusted professionals. ABC Tech Solutions' journey to hiring the perfect employee without the help of agencies is a powerful testament to what's possible when you take control of your recruitment process. By following these steps, they were able to not only find the right candidate, but also build a stronger, more cohesive team that continues to drive their success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your network. And if you're looking to enhance your hiring process, be sure to subscribe for more valuable tips and best practices. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or your own success stories. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep striving for excellence.